Good morning to everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Rambabu Narra. This is Sonali from 7th class and today we are going to learn about a new topic which is my very favorite chapter in Maths. That's nothing but BODMAS. You know what's meant by BODMAS? Actually, the BODMAS means the order of mathematical operations. You know, BODMAS also have a full form, which is very easy to solve the problems. So, I'll show you what's the full form of BODMAS. And this is the full form of BODMAS. B stands for brackets. And the first one is vinculum, which is also called as bar. And the second one is parenthesis or common brackets. Third one is curly brackets or braces or flower braces. Most of we say it as braces or flower brackets, but some members do not know that this is also called curved brackets. And next one is square bracket or big bracket. And here O stands for orders, which is like square and square roots, etc. And it also stands for of, which is also called into. And next one is division, which got this symbol. Actually, you all know about division. And next one is multiplication. And the last second one is addition. And the last one is subtraction. The all BODMAS will stand for this. And our next topic is uses of brackets. Brackets are used to separate the various parts of the expressions. There are four types. First one is bar or vinculum. Actually it's showing like bar. So another name of it is vinculum. Actually most of the numbers does not know about the vinculum. And next one is round brackets or small brackets or parenthesis. We can show like this. So most of the numbers does not know about round brackets and parenthesis. And the third one is curly brackets or braces or flower brackets, has been shown like this. And the fourth one is square brackets or big brackets, has been shown like this because it had the shape. It has a shape like square, so it's called as square brackets. And next we are knowing about order of removing brackets. It's very important in BODMAS. The order of removing brackets is first one vinculum, and second one common bracket, third one flower brackets, and fourth one square bracket. In this order we can remove the brackets. And next one is while simplifying the expression, the terms of the bracket has been taken independent unit. That means if there is an expression like bracket 9 minus 8 minus 3, and here it got vinculum. So first this one should be 8 minus 3 we should solve. And some members will think that here minus and here minus. So we want to do plus and 8 plus 3 like that. Here if there is vinculum, this is called another bracket. But without of keeping another bracket, they kept a vinculum. So 8 minus 3, that's 9 minus 5. So 9 minus 5, it's 4. The answer is 4. Like that. And the next one is if there is no sign between any two numbers, that means plus into minus division, we should see it as division. For example, 2 minus 9 into 2. Here there is no sign, any sign between this 9 and 2, such as plus, minus, division and into. There is no any signs in that both. So we want to think as into. That means 2 minus 9 into 2, 18. And 2 minus 18, minus 16. So the next one is, actually everyone thinks the actual name is BODMAS. The actual name is not BODMAS. It is called VBODMAS. Actually here V stands for vinculum. Most of the textbooks and books does not have VBODMAS. V stands here for Vernaculum, B for brackets, O for orders or of, and D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. And next we'll go to the sums. This is the small sum. First one is 8 plus 4 divided by 2 into 5 by the Bodmer's rule. First one B, there is no bracket, so no need of B. And second one is of or orders, there is no of and orders, so no need of this. And next division. First there is a division, so 8 plus 4 divided by 2, it's 2 into 5, same into 5. And division is completed. And then multiplication, there is multiplication, 2 into 5, 8 plus 5 into 2, 10. And there addition, plus 8 plus 10 is equal to 18. There is no subtraction, no need of seeing about subtraction. And next one is some big problem. 14 minus 12 minus, here flower brushes, 9 into 7 minus 6, and vernaculum minus 2, and brackets. First we want to see normal we should write 14 minus 12 minus 9 into 7 minus. Here vernaculum means a bracket. So 6 minus 2, it's 4. And next same as 14 minus 12 minus 9 into 3. So 14 minus 12 minus, what is 9 into 3? That's 27. So 14 minus 12. Here this bracket will gone. That means the order of removing of brackets. So 12 minus 27. 14 minus 12 minus 27 is minus 15. So here minus into minus is plus. So 14 plus 15 is equal to 29. If you like my explanation, please like and subscribe our channel Rambabu Narra and give a like for it. Thank you.